Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is making some string fluffs or silencers for a recurve bow, and what I'm using is just regular yarn. It's not wool, but it's some kind of synthetic, copy. I went ahead and cut everything up. This is going to be 40, and this is 40. There are 8 red and 8 black, and it goes red black, as you can see. You can do 30, 40, 50, whatever you want to do. Depends on the size of your fluff, how big you want, whatever. You can do whatever color you want. But with this, and the reason why I did it was so I'd have a decent sized fluff and I'd have some contrast between the two colors. So they're 8 and then 8. Let's get to it. Make sure that they're cut about the same length. Each pile, this will be the upper, this will be the lower, whatever. And I mean, these are somewhere between 3 inches and 3.5, something like that. But it doesn't matter because you're going to wind up trimming them down anyway. So once you have them all cut down to the size you want, whatever colors you want, do whatever. Grab your string, decide where you're going to want your fluffs, and you can move this at a later date. But let's see, let's just say I want it right about here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this string, grab it, and try to find the middle, and then separate like that. Alright? Now once I've done that, what I want to do is grab up one of these piles and insert it through here. Once I've done that, I've got it about centered. I'm going to take it and twist everything back up. Okay. Push it all tight together. And I can move on to the opposite side. It's basically about the same. And do the exact same thing. Alright? Sure everything's even, and then try to do the exact same thing you did on the other side. Squeeze everything together, tighten it up a little bit, squeeze it together, tighten it up. There you go. I'm going to put it on the bow and show you how to fluff them out. Okay, so now that the string is on the bow and the fluffs are in place, if I don't like where they are, all I have to do is grab them up tight and slide them up the string until they're about where I want them. Alright? I'll try to get them somewhat even. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll try to get them about in the same area, and I'll twist the string up a little bit later. I just want to be able to move them where I want them now, and then I'll twist the string back to regular. So all that you want to do now is go get you some arrows and shoot. And every time you shoot, it's going to fluff a little bit. So I'm going to shoot it for a few rounds, show you what that looks like. Alright, so here we are with the finished product. A little string fluffs. I probably shot them 30-40 times and then trimmed them down to about where I want them. And it makes a big difference. I'll show you guys that in another video.